Hi everyone, so this week's drone video, I'm actually going to be doing two unboxings. The first unboxing is going to be the DJI/Ryze Electronics Tello, and the second one is going to be the quad box. So I know that these two things are very different in terms of the audiences. So what I'm going to do is in the description, after this video is done, I'm going to link to exactly where you can start the unboxing for the Tello, and then where you can start the unboxing for the quad box. So let's get started with the quad box since I'm a little excited for that. Unfortunately, I'm in the quad box community and they had spoiled it for me. So I kind of already know what's in there, but I don't know how things look like. So here we go. So once you open up the box, hopefully I opened up everything. I had it upside down. This is what you'll see. Inside, let's see, we have propellers. There are two sets of propellers. Move this over to the side. So two sets of propellers. They are, let's see, they're black, and I believe they are 5-inch ones. So you have calipers. They are quad box branded actually. These are manual calipers, and I don't really know how to read these, but I'll figure them out. The next one is an antenna. It is the 5.8 gigahertz circular antenna from Lumineer. It is the AX2 5.8. So there are actually two of them in here, which is great because I actually just finished my drone build and this would be perfect. So there's two of them. Here are some stickers, which I can probably put on my boxes. And what else? Is this heat shrink? I believe this is heat shrink. There's just two of them thrown in the box. And I know what these are only because I'm actually in the group. They are ND filters for your GoPro session. I don't have one, so I'm probably going to be giving this away. And for what actually I've been looking forward to is a shirt. So this is a shirt. This is a size small. Oh, I really like it. It is, I believe, Top Gun themed. So this is perfect. I'm going to be wearing these for my future videos. And there you go. This is the February quad box. I'm going to put everything away. Okay, so the next unboxing is the Ryze Electronics Tello. I actually ordered this earlier this month when it became available on the DJI store. I got the shipment notice on Friday that it was going to ship on Saturday, but since it's FedEx, they don't do shipment on the weekends. So they actually shipped out the drone on Monday, and I received it today, which is Wednesday. So that was pretty good and fast shipping from China to where I live, New York, in 2 days. I'm going to, let's see, open this. And it is packaged just like this. It's a lot smaller than I actually thought it would be. And it comes in its own box. See what it comes with. I'm going to open this. So I bought this drone just mainly for fun. I know that it is a toy drone. I am most interested in the coding aspect of it. I understand it's a very simple coding platform, but I just wanted to play around with it. So this drone is $99 on the DJI website as well as Amazon, B&H. And this is probably going to be a entry-level drone for a kid or somebody who just wants to play around. So this is very tiny. And the flight time, I believe, is about 13 minutes. And it does 720p video transmission, 5 megapixel photos, and it has several flight modes that you can actually play with it. So it comes with the propeller guard. So this is good if you want to fly with it indoors. Let's see what else is in the box. should be the battery and the manual. So I'm not gonna take a look at the manual, but it looks like extra propellers, the battery, and I'm assuming it charges by USB. Fits right in just like that. So I did not buy the Bluetooth controller because I figured that I would be able to find one. So I'm going to actually be testing this drone out with my phone. So there you go. This is just a quick unboxing for the Tello as well as the quad box. Next week I am going to just fly this around a little bit and see what kind of footage I can get out of this, as well as other options that this comes with, like the coding and everything like that, mainly because I'm very interested in seeing what it can do. I already have a few projects that I want to do with this little drone, so hopefully I would be able to let you guys in on that in the next few weeks. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.